Diamond Kote is an engineered wood product with a 30-year no-fade paint finish, and it comes in a variety of styles and options to suit all homes. What we've done in our showroom is to provide our customers to come down and look at the many options that Diamond Kote offers. And right here in our showroom, we offer a staggered shake. Also on this portion is a straight shake. Here is the soffit panels and fascia board. So Diamond Kote is a complete siding system, and all these components we have on display to look at. So Diamond Kote offers an industry-leading warranty, and its finish is specially designed to be a low maintenance with high performance. Whether you choose from our solid or dual blend color offerings or decide to create your own color, we warrant that finish for 30 years. With the resilient finish, you can be sure your exterior color will not peel, chalk, or fade due to its scratch-resistant and 30-year no-fade finish. The color match system will surround your home with quality. Diamond Kote offers 25+ colors across our product offering, designed to protect and enhance the appearance of your home. And best of all, Diamond Kote is low maintenance. Now let's take a look at some other options. In this part of the showroom, we have some other options, which is a lap siding, and that comes in a 6, 8, and 10 inch with all the accessories to complete the siding system. There's a lot of design options available, and New York Sash is here to help you through the process. We can use photos of your home and then design a 3D model and see how real siding products, colors, and style will look. Feel free to stop into our showroom at Oriskany Boulevard in Whitesboro to see all these products for yourself.